Recording in progress.
I think your lordship's kind permission for commencement of the proceedings.
Yes.
Now I will read the contents of the notification dated 13/11/2023 issued by the Government of India, Minister of Law and Justice, New Delhi. Notification dated 13 November 2023. In exercise of the power conferred by Clause 1 of Article 222 of the Constitution of India, the President, after consultation with the Chief Justice of India, is pleased to transfer Ms. Justice C. Sumalatha, Judge, Telangana High Court, as Judge of Karnataka High Court, and to direct her to assume charge of her office in the Karnataka High Court. Signed, Rajendra Kashyap, Special Secretary to Government of India. Now I will read the contents of the order of authorization given by His Excellency, the Governor of Karnataka. Order. Under Article 219 of the Constitution of India, I, Tawarchand Gehlot, Governor of Karnataka, do hereby authorize Shri Justice Prasanna Balachandra Varale, Chief Justice of High Court of Karnataka, before whom Ms. Justice C. Sumalatha, transferred as a Judge of High Court of Karnataka, shall make and subscribe an oath or affirmation. May I now request the Honorable Chief Justice to administer the oath of office to Honorable Ms. Justice C. Sumalatha.
I, having been transferred as a judge of the High Court of Karnataka,
having been transferred as a judge of the High Court of Karnataka,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and the integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
Congratulations, sister. Sister, welcome to the family.
Honorable Sri Justice Prasanna B. Varale, Chief Justice, High Court of Karnataka. Companion Judges, Bangalore, Dharwad and Kalburgi. Sri K. Shashikiran Shetty, Learned Advocate General for Karnataka. Sri K. Arvind Kamath, Additional Solicitor General of India. Sri Shanti Bhushan, Venkatesh Karekal and Sudhir Singh, Deputy Solicitor Generals. Learned Additional Advocates Generals. Sri Vinay B. Manglekar, Vice Chairman, Karnataka State Bar Council. Sri Y.R. Sadashiv Reddy, Co-Chairman, Bar Council of India. Colleague members of the Karnataka State Bar Council. Srimati B.S. Rekha, President, Sri H.K. Naveen, Secretary, and Office Bearers of Karnataka State Judicial Officers Association. Shri G.S. Sangareshi, Law Secretary, Government of Karnataka. Shri B.A. Belliyappa and Shri Vijay Kumar Majge, State Public Prosecutors. Shri B.N. Jagdish, Additional State Public Prosecutor. Learned Registrars and Judicial Officers. Shri Vivek Subbareddy, President. Shri A.S. Harish, Vice President. Shri T.G. Ravi, General Secretary. M.T. Harish, Treasurer and Office Bearers of Advocate Association, Bangalore. President, Secretary and Office Bearers of Advocates Association, Dharwad and Kalburgi High Court. Srimati Prabhamurthy, President, Shri Amsa, Secretary and Office Bearers of Women Lawyers Federation. Learned Senior Counsels. Family members of Hon'ble Srimati Justice C. Sumalatha. Learned members of the legal fraternity, ladies and gentlemen. We have all assembled here today on this happy occasion to welcome your Lordship transfer from Telangana High Court to the High Court of Karnataka. For me, personally, it's a great opportunity to welcome for the second time another lady judge from Telangana High Court to this High Court. It is with immense pleasure as Chairman of Karnataka State Bar Council that I extend a warm and affectionate welcome to your Lordship to Karnataka on behalf of the legal fraternity of the entire state. It is indeed a proud moment to add your Lordship to the galaxies of the judges of this Honorable High Court. Your wealth of experience and commitment to justice make you an invaluable addition to the legal landscape of this state. I extend a warm and cordial welcome to you, Madam. Honorable Mrs. Justice C. Sumalatha, you were born as eldest daughter of late Sri Chillakuri Venkata Subbaya and late Srimati Lakshmi Prasanna. You obtained your law degree by securing gold medal in constitutional law. You practiced actively as an advocate for 10 years. You got selected as district judge in the year 2007. You served in different places. You served as principal district judge, Kurnool and Guntur. You served as director of Judicial Academy, Hyderabad. You also served as chief judge, City Civil Court, Hyderabad. You obtained master degree in constitutional law. You obtained doctorate in law on very important topic, right to speedy justice in India, a critical analysis, which is the need of judiciary. You were elevated as permanent judge of the High Court for the state of Telangana on 15th October 2021. Your transfer from High Court of Telangana to this High Court symbolizes not only unity of the country, but also national integration. The bar at Karnataka is highly hospitable and cooperative. You need not feel that you are an outsider. As chairman of the Karnataka State Bar Council, I am honored to represent and lead this esteemed institution, working in collaboration with dedicated legal professionals to uphold the highest standards of the justice and legal ethics in our state. We welcome your valuable insights and collaborations as we collectively strive for the betterment of the legal fraternity and the justice system in Karnataka. As your Lordship knows that this is the only institution which can wipe out the tears of millions of people who approach the court with quest for justice. On behalf of the legal fraternity in the state of, we promise a welcome change in environment as the bar in our state is strong, vibrant, and responsibility. At the same time, our bar has never been divided either on political line or in any other manner. Your Lordship will find a very responsible and cooperative legal fraternity in the discharging their role in the judicial system. We are sure that you will be the source of inspiration in this court. It is a known endeavor of the bar and bench to see that a meaningful approach and cooperation exists between both as they are two faces of the same coin. As far as Karnataka is concerned, tradition and cooperation between the bar and bench is well noted. I, on behalf of the members of the bar, assure your lordship that we will extend an unstinted support and cooperation in dispensation of justice and upholding the rule of law. We once again wish you and your family a pleasant and comfortable stay in this place, as we the Kannadigas are known for hospitality and cordial nature. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Honorable the Chief Justice Sri Prasanna B. Varaleji, esteemed sister and brother judges, Mr. K. Shashikiran Shetty, Learned Advocate General, Additional Advocate General, State Public Prosecutors and other government advocates, Mr. K. H. Shantibhushan, Deputy Solicitor General of India and other central government advocates, Mr. Vishal Raghu, HN, Chairman, Karnataka State Bar Council and other members of the State Bar Council, Mr. Vivek Subbareddy, President, Mr. T.G. Ravi, General Secretary, and other office bearers of the Advocates Association, Bengaluru, Mrs. Prabha Murthy, President, Mrs. J. Hamsa, Secretary, and other office bearers of the Indian Federation of Women Lawyers, Karnataka State, Sri Bharat Kumar, Registrar General, and his team of registrars of this High Court, learned judicial officers present, learned senior advocates and other learned members of the bar, officers and staff of the High Court, my husband, Dr. Vemula Venkateshwarlu, my heartbeats Vamsi Krishna and Krishna Vamsi, Sri Gangadhar, Registrar Judicial from the High Court of Telangana, Sri A. Venugopal Rao, Assistant Registrar and President of High Court Employees Association, Andhra Pradesh, learned advocates who have come all the way from Telangana and Andhra Pradesh to grace this occasion, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to one and all. It is a great privilege for me to present here taking oath of the office as Judge of the Karnataka High Court. I hail from a small town in the state of Andhra Pradesh. It may be the gut instinct of Lord Almighty that I should be moved from place to place so that I can acquire more knowledge, be more graceful, be more passionate, and make myself to be a good citizen of this country. When a judge comes from other state, the natural expectation of all would be to know everything about the said judge, more particularly his or her career and educational qualifications. My father, being a gazetted officer, I traveled along with him on his transfers to different places, and I therefore pursued my education at different places. On entering into judiciary as a judicial officer, as transfers for every 3 years is inevitable, I continued my travel to different places. I served as special judge for trial of cases under SC/ST Prevention of Atrocities Act for a period of 3 years. I served as additional district judge cum chairman, Mandal Legal Services Committee for another period of 3 years. Thereafter, I served as chairman, Industrial Tribunal cum Labor Court for a period of 2 years. Later, I served as special judge for trial of cases under Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, special judge for trial of cases under NDPS Act, judge for trial of cases under Electricity Act. Subsequently, I was posted as principal district judge at a place called Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh. From there, I was transferred and posted as principal district judge at Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. Later, I was deputed to work as director of Judicial Academy and served in such capacity for a period of 2 years. From there, I was moved as Chief Judge, City Civil Court, Hyderabad, and there I rendered services for a period of 2 years. In the year 2021, the Honorable Collegium of the Supreme Court of India cleared my name for elevation as a Judge of the High Court of Telangana, and I sworn in as permanent judge on 15/10/2021. Oath was administered to me by Honorable Sri Justice Satish Chandra Sharma, and later Sri Ujjal Puyan was my Chief Justice. I also worked under Sri Alok Arade, the present Chief Justice. The Honorable Chief Justices under whom I worked were kind enough to allot different areas and faculties for me to perform my duties. For about 3 weeks, I sat in a division bench, and thereafter I was allotted rosters to deal with motor accidents claims appeals, civil revisions, criminal appeals, etc. I also dealt with quash petitions and bail applications. That apart, in admission court, I dealt with writs filed under Stamps and Registration Act, fisheries, endowments, medical health and family welfare, and forests. I also headed the division benches which dealt with criminal appeals and family court appeals. Without second thought, I can say that my parent High Court, that is High Court of Telangana, is an academy to me, which enlightened me and imparted knowledge on various subjects. With the rich experience which I believe to possess, I am sure that I can render my services to the satisfaction of Honorable the Chief Justice Sri Prasanna B. Varale and the members of the learned bar. I am aware of the fact that this High Court has got a cherished history and the learned advocates present here have got vast experience in dealing with the matters. I take the occasion to request all the learned members of the bar to enlighten me on each and every aspect of the things which comes before me, both on facts and law. In case at any time any inconvenience is faced by the manner in which I perform my duties, unhesitatingly please do bring to the same to my knowledge so that I can correct myself. As I am new to this place, this environment, and as I would also be missing my family, it may take some time for me to adjust. I earnestly request my brother and sister judges and the learned members of the bar to understand and accommodate me. Like fire in a piece of flint, knowledge exists in mind. Your way of presentation of the case and arguments is the friction which brings good judgments out. I hope and trust that I would be able to deliver such good judgments with the outstanding arguments that would be advanced by the learned members of the bar. I thank my brother and sister judges, my family members and friends, the registrars, and all the honorable members present here for gracing this oath ceremony. My special thanks goes to all the officials and members of the bar who came all the way from the states of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh to shower their wishes and blessings upon me. I conclude with a last request to all to take time to slowly impart knowledge and tips so that I could learn Kannada language, which would be an added advantage for me to render my services in an effective and efficient way. I pray Lord Almighty to let our teamwork leave its footprints on the sands of time. Jai Hind.
Grant permission for concluding the history.
Yes.
I directed the Honorable Chief Justice, courts of principal bench and benches at Dharwad will commence at 11:30 a.m.